We don't laugh.
It burped inside my throat.
Go, Troy, go! Don't burp while there's still stuff in your mouth.
Oh no, no! Oh God!
Chug it down! Chug it down! Chug, chug, chug! Chug it, chug it, toot, toot! I'm sorry, the camera's at stage 2. God, stop laughing!
Laughing, what?
Laughinating. I mean, how can you not look at her face?
I'm gonna freak now!
It might come out the other end.
Stop breathing that
It's
helium.
coming out the other end now!
Quick, now it's time for lighting farts on fire.
Who's gonna light it?
No, I don't want to lose my hair. Gosh, you're a machine. I reckon that would be your superpower when you're like a superhero.
Why are we doing this public? The nose. Hey, stop burping.
It's coming out the other end now.
Oh, it's gonna start hurting.
It's coming out the other end.
Yellow fucking god.
It's a yellow truck kind of.
It went by.
It's a giant one. I think you're done it.
Old lady.
Keep on the nose again. Ow. Why is it not in my pocket? Why is my hand sticky?
Oh no, I'm stuck.
You're stuck.
Oh no.
Let's stop.
Okay.
Ow.
I'm full of beer.
Quick, make it come out the other end. I'm surprised no one's looking at you. I mean, you're belching really loud.
They probably think it's Troy.
Well, he's not that much of a man compared to you. Miss Belches a lot.
Just belch a lot.
I'm still recording, by the way.
Yeah, I kind of realised.
Quick, throw up.
Okay.
Oh shit! I was like, I wasn't being serious. Machine comes out one end and comes out the same end.
What?
Well, you drink it down your mouth and it's just coming back out.
It splits in two and comes out through. Okay, let's come out the other end.
Okay.
We've got to go two.
Okay, I'm just making saliva bubbles in the back of my throat, so I'm gonna burp anymore. Get back.
When you can't help burping, you gotta stop yourself.
No, she's going to fart it out. Like
Okay.
she's never farted it out.
Okay, ready?
Are you gonna put that on YouTube? Oh god.
Don't throw up now, you hear?
Yeah, I don't.
You.